How to grow large indoor plants. Large indoor plants can completely transform the atmosphere of a home. They make rooms feel luxurious, fresh, peaceful, and full of life. Big leafy plants create a natural statement that instantly catches attention and makes any indoor space look more elegant and modern. But growing large indoor plants successfully requires proper care, patience, and the right environment. Today, we are going to learn how to grow large indoor plants and keep them healthy, beautiful, and thriving inside your home. The first and most important factor for growing large indoor plants is choosing the right plant variety. Some plants naturally grow bigger and adapt well indoors. Popular large indoor plants include fiddle leaf figs, rubber plants, Monstera plants, bird of paradise plants, Erica palms, and Dracaena plants. These plants can grow tall and wide indoors when given proper care and enough space. Light plays a major role in plant growth. Most large indoor plants prefer bright indirect sunlight. Placing them near large windows where they receive filtered sunlight helps them grow faster and healthier. Plants kept in very dark corners may survive, but they usually grow slowly and develop weak stems and smaller leaves. Rotating the plant every few weeks also helps it grow evenly from all sides. Another important step is using the right pot size. Small pots restrict root growth and prevent plants from becoming larger. As the plant grows, move it into slightly bigger pots so the roots have enough room to spread. However, avoid choosing pots that are too large suddenly because excess soil can hold too much moisture and cause root rot. Healthy soil is also essential for growing big indoor plants. Use loose, nutrient-rich soil that drains well and allows air to reach the roots. Good soil helps plants absorb nutrients properly and encourages stronger root development. Adding compost or organic fertilizer occasionally can provide extra nutrients that support healthy growth. Watering is one of the most important parts of plant care. Large indoor plants usually need more water than smaller plants, especially during active growing seasons. However, overwatering can damage roots and kill the plant. Always check the top layer of soil before watering. If the soil feels dry, water the plant thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom. Humidity is another factor many people forget. Tropical indoor plants often love humid environments. Dry indoor air, especially from fans or air conditioners, can make leaves dry or brown at the edges. To increase humidity, you can mist the leaves lightly, place a tray of water nearby, or group plants together to create a more humid environment naturally. Cleaning the leaves regularly is very important for large plants. Dust can collect on big leaves and block sunlight, reducing the plant's ability to grow properly. Wiping leaves gently with a damp cloth keeps them shiny, healthy, and able to absorb more light. Pruning also helps large indoor plants grow better. Removing damaged or yellow leaves allows the plant to focus its energy on healthy new growth. Some plants also become bushier and fuller when trimmed correctly. Plant support may be necessary for taller plants. Moss poles, bamboo sticks, or decorative supports help climbing plants grow upright and maintain their shape beautifully indoors. Patience is very important when growing large indoor plants. Plants need time to establish roots and adjust to their environment. Consistent care, proper lighting, watering, and nutrition will slowly help them become large, strong, and stunning decorative features inside your home. Large indoor plants not only improve decoration but also create a calming atmosphere that makes homes feel more peaceful, natural, and welcoming. With proper care and attention, even a small plant can eventually grow into a beautiful indoor tree that transforms your living space completely.